Well, good morning. My name is Tim and welcome back to the channel. We are back down in St. Vincent again. We're actually down at our home in Brighton and came down for a quick trip for Father's Day week. So we're only here a week, so trying to really decide how many videos and how much exploration we can do this week with so much going on. But what I wanted to do is get some video here from home base, try to get some of Brighton and Prospect and some of the coastline. So what I'm going to try to do is get the drone up and just kind of see what new buildings are being built in the surroundings here up on the hills, and take some good scenery of the coast and some of the homes. So if you're from this area, Brighton or Prospect, you may see your house or one of your neighbor's house or some place that you know. So I'm going to get the drone up in the air and see what we can capture, and I hope you enjoy it.
I see crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows on my mind. When I think of you sometimes, I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, building castles way up high. Just the two of us, you and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water, all it is. It don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come for those who wait, not to those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, building castles way up high. Just the two of us, you and I. I hear the crystal raindrops fall on the window down the hall, and it becomes the morning dew. And darling, when the morning comes and I see the morning sun, I wanna be the one with you. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, building castles way up high. Just the two of us, you and I. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us. Bye.